Hey guys, it's PT, math musician. Today I'm going to show you how to play the Irish tune All For Me Grog on the accordion. So first we'll go over the left hand for bass notes and chords, and then we'll go over the right hand playing the melody. Alright, so the buttons you'll need on the left hand, remember the button with the dent on it is the C, so you can always start there if you lose your position. So the song is in the key of G, which G is right above the C, so right there. So you'll need the G note and the G major chord. You'll also need above that the D note and the D major chord. And you'll also need the A note, just the note. And I like to also throw in the F sharp, which is right next to the D in the same row. The major third up from the D. And then back down below the G starting position, you have the C note itself, which is the one with the dent on it, and the C major chord. And that's it. Yeah, so not that many buttons for this song. So the left hand part looks like this. So yeah, pretty simple. And then that pattern, depending on how many verses of the song you're playing, verses and choruses, they're all the same thing, just that pattern repeated. Alright, and the right hand playing the melody goes like this. And then that whole thing repeats. It's basically the same for the verse as for the chorus. And if you want, when you repeat that pattern, you can like do a glissando up to the next octave. So I like to go. And then that whole thing repeats again, just an octave higher. Alright, so that's left hand and right hand, and once you know both of those parts, you just put them together. And it sounds like this.